Amazon haters have to get creative if they want to start a website to lead a charge against the company. I'm Mara Montalbano for Buzz60. If venting about Amazon on its website or social media pages just isn't enough for you, and you're thinking about getting a website going, I hate to break it to you, but Amazon is way ahead of you. Amazon owns the domain names AmazonSucks.com, ScrewAmazon.com, AmazonStinks.com, and the F-word Amazon.com. Twitter user Alex Shepard brought the fact that someone in Amazon's legal department has a lot of time on their hands to the world's attention. A little more research shows people were able to snag GodDamazon.com and AmazonBlows.com before the company got to them. And while SuckItAmazon.com is taken, AmazonCanSuckIt.com is still available. See? Gotta get creative. Others available include AmazonBytes.com and Amadong.com. For now. Someone in Amazon Legal is gonna have a very busy week. Buzz60, now you know. Pass it on.